everybody. Tell them what you're eating, Ricco. Say pomegranate, my favorite. Right? Yeah, this one's actually a juicy one. Bought a whole one, washed the outside. He likes to have pieces of it, so I don't pick them out. I guess kind of like chew toys. So I let Ricco enjoy it that way. Right? You're having fun with those, aren't you? Sometimes you try to take off with those. And I have to chase you around because you make a mess everywhere. Was that good, Ricco? Mm-hmm. Usually you say, mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy. And you say, is that good? Mm-hmm. But you're too busy right now, aren't you? Look at the mess. And then I have to clean it all up, don't I? Yeah. Look at the mess. Is that good? Ricco. Is it good? So this is Ricco's favorite, his pomegranate, right? One of his favorite at least. Okay, go enjoy. Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Look at your face. Yeah, you got pomegranate all over your face. Say bye. Bye-bye. Want to give a kiss? Okay, say bye.